Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. Again, it's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play guitar easily and in detail. So if this is your first time playing the guitar, you're in good luck because this song is made specifically for you guys. So for this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play 3 songs with only 3 chords, so you'll be able to jam along with your friends and kind of show up for a bit, you know what I'm saying, while you're jamming, doing all of that good stuff. So for this video, we're going to be looking at 3 basic open chords that you can play even if you're an absolute beginner when it comes to playing the guitar. And as for the strumming pattern that we're going to be using for this video, we're not going to be focusing on that too much. We could just focus on using down strums. Everyone knows how to play down strums, surely. Then the more that you progress in your guitar learning journey, the more you'll be able to switch it up with like up strums as well. So that's gonna be fun. And that said, let's go have a look at these chords. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to be using for these 3 songs, it's going to be these ones right here. I'm going to be explaining them in detail later on in this video as well. So the first chord that we're going to be looking at is going to be the G major chord, and the chord diagram is going to be this right here. Yes, I don't know where the editor version of me in the future is going to be putting the chord diagram, but I hope he puts it somewhere nice that you can see. So first up is going to be the G major chord. It's going to be like that. Pretty much we're going to be using our middle finger on the 3rd fret on the lower E string, index finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. Then it's going to be open strings on the D and the G strings, which means that we're not going to be pressing any of those strings right here, which are going to be these ones here. Then lastly, our ring finger is going to be on the B string on the 3rd fret. Then your pinky finger is also going to be on the 3rd fret as well, which is going to be on the high E string. And next up is going to be the C major chord, the open version as well. It's going to be like this. Now, what I mean by open version is that the chord that we're going to be playing doesn't include any bar chords, like those pesky ones that you use like that. When it comes to making bar chords, we're not going to be using that. Magic of guitar, you can play songs without bar chords in them. Very cool, very beginner friendly, very nice. But yeah, so next chord is going to be the C major chord, or the open version of that C major chord. It's going to be like this. Now for this one, what I want you guys to do, or at least try, you know what I'm saying, is that we're going to be muting this string right here. And to make it easier for you guys to do this, we're just going to be resting our thumb on that string so it doesn't create any sound. Just like that. And it's going to be the ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string. Then it's going to be the 2nd fret on the D string with your middle finger, like so. Then it's going to be an open fret on the G string. Then after that, we're going to be putting our index finger on the 1st fret on the B string. Then once more, it's going to be an open string on the high E string. Yep, so that is going to be that string, 3, 2, open, 1, then open. Then lastly, it's going to be the D major chord. It's going to be an open version as well of that chord, which is going to be this one right here. So in this chord, once again, we're going to be using our thumb to mute the lower E strings and the A strings by just letting our thumb rest on those 2 strings, like so. There's going to be an open string on the D string, just like that. And we're going to be using our index finger to place it on the 2nd fret on the G string. It's going to be the 3rd fret on the B string, which is going to be like this, using our ring finger, like so. Then lastly, we're going to be using our middle finger and placing it on the 2nd fret of the high E string. Yep, so that's going to be dead string, open string, 2, 3, 2. Yep, 3 chords, 3 basic, common, popular chords, which is still being used today by newer songs, and it'll be kept on using. So once you got these 3 chords in the bag, in your guitarist toolbox, so to speak, you'll be there. You'll be there. You'll be a guitarist. Yes, sir. G, D, and C. Very cool. Very nice. So For these songs, I'm only going to be demonstrating them by only using down strums, so that beginners or like people that have been just playing the guitar for like, I don't know, within an hour of this video, and you just like type something up to like, maybe you can like play a song like right off the bat. This one's for you. The first one is called Angel by Shaggy. It's pretty popular, so I feel like most of the viewers of this video will know the song that I'm going to be demonstrating here. And the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Just right off the bat, just like that. And it's going to be like this. And we're only going to be using down strums. So here it goes. Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you are my friend when I'm in need, baby. I like the rapping of the rapper. And the next section of the song goes, then the chorus again, then the verse, then the chorus, then you know all that jazz, all the jazz. You know what I'm saying? It's just going to be G, C, D, then C, and just like repeating that all over and over again for the entirety of the song. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's like that. So the next song is a bit of a throwback actually, and it's called "Leaving on a Jet Plane" by John Denver, and the chord progression for the most part or the majority of the sections of the song is going to be this one right here. It's basically just going to be G, C, then D, then just like repeating that over and over again for the remainder or the majority of the sections of the song. There's some parts in the intro such as like G, C for like the beginning. Yep, just those two chords pretty much. It's going to be G major, then the C major chord afterwards. But for this one, for the sake of this video, and to just demonstrate that you only need 3 chords to play a song, so you could just like go and jam out with your friends and stuff, we're going to be just focusing on the chorus section of the song. So it's going to be like this. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you never let me go. And just get fancy with it, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Whoa, babe, I hate to go. Then once you get fancy with it, you can complicate the strumming patterns as well. It's like, so kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you wait for me. Hold me like you never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving. Yeah, you get the gist, you get the whole idea, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, pretty cool. And this one's a bit of a more recent, although not really. I think this song came out when I was still in like, I don't know, junior high school, just like ages ago. And I don't know if people still remember this song, but this song's got a special place in my heart, in my memory, in my soul, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, this one's called Royals by Lord. For this one, once again, it's got different chord progressions, but for the sake of this video, we're just only going to be focusing on the chorus section of the song, which is going to be this one right here. Just to once again demonstrate that you only really need like 3 chords for some songs, and that's good enough to keep you going in your guitar learning journey, you know what I mean? It's going to be like this. And we'll never be royals, it don't run in our blood. That kind of luck's just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy. There you go. 3 songs, only using 3 chords to have fun when it comes to playing your guitar. Very cool. Thought very cool. I hope that you guys learned something new, something fresh, something great in this video. That'd be very nice. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell for this channel to keep you guys updated for future guitar lesson, guitar tutorial, guitar related learning something. You know what I'm saying? That'd be much appreciated. And if you guys have something for me to teach, or something that you recommend for me to like explore here in this channel, that'd be great as well. Make sure to comment it down below in the comment sections. That'd be nice. Also going to be leaving out this super thanks down below as well, where you guys could donate like, I don't know, like $1 just to like support me in the channel. It's gonna be pretty fun. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar lessons or guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.